Okay children, let's go for a very interesting exercise. I think you already know it. Now we are going to do this exercise children. Okay, circle the picture that has a blend sound in each row. We have to circle the picture. We have to circle the picture which have the same blending word. Yes, same blending word here. Okay, just circle it. This is a TH. TH. If the any picture have the TH sound, we have to circle that image. Okay, just circle, just see the images first, then you have to find out. Are you finding the word, correct blending word? Are you find outing this picture? Do you find out in the picture? Yes, a moth is coming here. Okay, let's go for the next one. This is a CH. Okay, this is a chip, brush. This is a salad or this is a vegetables. This is a salad, I think. Yes. You're getting the any correct picture having the same blending word CH? Yes, chip. Okay, next SH. You are getting the any blending word here. Listen carefully and look at the picture carefully. Look each and every picture carefully. Just tell me the picture name loudly and see what they are doing in their picture. Just listen it carefully. Just look it out carefully. Look it out. You are getting the correct answer. Yes, fish having the SH sound. Okay, next picture. Okay children, next picture, look at these three picture. See here, see each and every picture here children, each and every picture children. Listen carefully and listen the picture what they are doing action. Listen carefully. Yes, listen it, chopping. This is a crash, it's a getting accident. This is stretching, having any TH sound in this picture. Yes, is having the same blending word. Okay, next listen this carefully. This is a WH, trash, dress. This is not this two, then it will become a this one, which. Okay, listen it carefully. In this three picture, you have the same blending sound for this picture, and in this three picture, having the same blending sound CH on this picture. In these three picture, having the same blending word SH on for this picture. From these three picture, you having the same TCH blending sound word in this picture. In these three picture, you're getting the WH sound in this picture. Okay children, now we understand. Now let's go for a next exercise. Okay children, let's move to the next exercise. Draw the lines to match each picture with its blend. We have to find out the picture and we have to make a line to the correct blending word. Okay, let's see here. This is a ship. Yes sound you are getting. This is a ship. This is not tit. This is a ch. You are getting the yes sound. Okay, let's move to the next one. This is a fish. Ish sound. You are getting the ish sound. You not ch. This is a this is a ch. This is a sh sound you are getting. Okay, let's look at this picture. This is a brush. Ish sound. Yes, you are getting the yes sound. If you are not getting a T sound, then T sound means it will become a bet, not bench. This is a brush. Ish sound. Okay, this is a cloth. Yes, this is a cloth. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, see here. This is a teeth. Not teeth. You have to circle it. Okay, this is a cheek, not sh or tooth, Okay, listen here. She is chopping, not shopping. Shopping means it will become a different meaning. Not topping. Yes, Okay, you know, did you saw the Harry Potter movie? What is the character Fletcher, isn't it? He is a Fletcher. Fletch, TCH is coming a TCH. Touch, flet, not it's a fletch. Okay, Let's go for the next exercise. Okay children, now we are going to do a very beautiful exercise. Let's see the picture and the words are get scrambled, isn't it? We have to unscramble the word and we have to write it on this particular box. Okay children, did you understand what I said? Okay, listen carefully children. We have to look at the picture and find out the word, and the word is unscrambled. We have to scramble the word and we have to write the we have to unscramble the word and we have to write it on the box, particular box. Okay, listen, look at this picture. What she is doing? She is baking, isn't it? Okay, let's see the word. What are the words are here? E, K, B, A. Sounds of the each letter we will say with sound of the each letter. A, K, B, A. Okay, what is the spelling for what is the pronunciation for bake? Bake. Yes, first we have to put a B here. Very good. And the next one is sound. Bake. Bake. Okay, so this is a baking process, isn't it? The cake, biscuit, bread, we will use to bake it using the OTG or oven, isn't it children? Okay, do you all love cakes and biscuits? Yes, okay, very nice. Okay, let's come to the next picture children. Okay, see what he is doing. Listen carefully children, look at the picture carefully children. Okay, look at and tell what he is doing children. Yes, he is jumping into the water. Okay, when they are jumping into the water, what we have to say? What we have to say? Dive. She's dive. He is diving, isn't it? Dive. The letter was scrambled here. For listen, this is E, I, V, D. A, E, V, D. A, E, V, D. Okay, this is spelling for this, and what he is doing is a diving. So dive, yes, D, dive, I, dive. Okay, children, now you got. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Okay, listen carefully, children. What is this picture actually? Look at the picture. Listen the picture carefully. Look at the picture carefully. Yes, this is a cave. This is a cave. Okay, this is in a mountain. Okay, this is in a forest, I think. This is in a cave. Okay, let's see this scrambled spelling. V, E, A, C. Okay, V, E, A, C. Okay, what is the sound of V? V. What is the sound of E? A. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of C? K. K. Okay. What is the spelling for cave? Cave. 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 Okay, now you got children. Okay, now let's do this picture. What she is doing, she is having an apple in her hand. What she is doing, she is biting an apple. Very good. She is biting an apple. Okay, let's see the scrambled words here. T, E, I, B. Isn't it? T, E, I, B. This is the unscrambled word for bite. She is biting an apple, isn't it? Okay, let's pronounce it correctly of each and every scrambled letter. T, A, E, B. Okay, for bite, what is the spelling for bite? Ba. Yes, B, ba. Next letter children. Ba, by. Yes, I sound. Bite. T. This is a bit. B-I-T means bit. If you put E, then it will become bite. As children, we haven't seen the exercise, isn't it? Okay, remember that. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to the next image. What is this? Look at the picture properly, children. What is this? Yes, this is a game. Yes, they are playing a game. Okay, let's see the scrambled words. E, M, G, A. E, M, G, A. What is the sound of the each and every letter? A, G, A, isn't it? Okay, let's unscramble the word. What is the spelling for game? G, game. Yes, G, 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 E, game. Okay, children, listen carefully. G, A, M, E, G, game, game. Okay, let's revise one more time. Look at this picture. She's a baking, and spelling for bake, B, A, K, E, bake. Ba, K, E, bake. Listen, look at this picture. He is diving. The spelling for dive is D, I, V, E, dive. D, A, E, dive. Okay, look at this picture. This is a cave. C, A, V, E, cave. K, E, curve, curve. Okay, next this picture. She is biting an apple. B, I, T, E, bite. B, E, T, E, bite, bite. Okay, and then the last picture. This is a game. What is the spelling for the game? G, A, E. That means G, A, A, game, game. Okay, children, now you understand. Now you can recall the sounds of the words also, isn't it, children? Let's move to the next exercise. Say yes. Okay, let's move to the next exercise.